Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. This is my third and last installment of my Folio mini album basic construction tutorial using papers from Graphic 45. For this folio, we are using the Love Notes collection. It is an absolutely beautiful collection along with dies from Graphic 45. Now, before we move on, I wanted to show you that I used my scraps from when we die cut our inserts to place them right within that half an inch area that we have in between each of the tags that make the waterfall. For our front panel, we're going to use the frame die that is found in the square tags and clock die set. When we use this particular die, it does cut a circle, and I decided that I wanted to use two circles in this front piece simply because I want it to remain consistent with the colors. So what I did was I cut two frames, one which is the frame that we're going to use, and the other is going to be for the circle that I will be using on top of the other circle. We're going to use some wet glue to attach the frame along with a plain round piece on the front of our folio mini album. Now, once that part is done, we're then going to take our other round piece, the one that's going to go right on top of it, and we are going to ink around the edges with our Color Box Graphic 45 in Photogenic. Once we're done with the inking, I'm going to take some mounting tape and apply it to the back of the round piece because I want to give this frame a little bit of a dimension. And now I'm taking some metal corners from my stash and I'm applying them to the front of our folio mini album. So now that our front cover is done to our folio mini album, we are going to work on the inside. We are going to use our chipboard pieces from our Love Notes Graphic 45 collection. We are going to use our stickers from our Love Notes collection. Plus, I'm going to use a couple of items from my stash. And remember, this is a part of a much larger project, and remember to tune in to see the project in whole. I can't wait to show it to y'all. So anyhow, I thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to check out the items that I have used throughout this tutorial in the area underneath this video and also in my blog. And I hope that I have made this easy enough for you. Folios are really not difficult to make at all. I think they are the easiest way to make a mini album. If you have never ever done a mini album from scratch and would love to have the opportunity or to take the opportunity to make one, I highly recommend that you start out with something small, simple, and easy like the folio. Even though a basic construction of a folio is as the one that I am showing you in this tutorial, you can pretty much embellish it with your papers and items from your stash and your metals. And Graphic 45 carries beautiful metals. I will go ahead and leave you with a link to their website in the description area below. I thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you once again real soon, okay? Bye now.